Hi, grade 2. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of revision about what we took last time. At the same time, we're just going to move on quickly on this small thing, okay? So, we have here AM and PM. Okay, so AM is in the morning, like when you go to school. You go to school in the morning, so it's AM. PM is in the evening, so you sleep at night. So it's like you sleep at 11 p.m., for example. Also, it's 6 p.m. Okay, it's 2 p.m. So when is AM and when is PM? Okay, AM is at the early morning until it's 12, and then after 12, 12 when is you have to pray, okay? For Muslims, they pray around 12 p.m. And then from 12 till 12, it's p.m., like 12, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., and so on. And then starting from 12 again, it's 1 a.m. Okay, so when do most businesses open? They open in the AM. Very good. And you are putting on your shoes before going to school. So is it the AM or PM? When do you go to school? So we go to school AM. Okay, very good. You're watching the evening news. Is it AM or PM? Evening news, you guys. So it's the PM. When do people usually eat supper? So you might not know what supper is, but it's like a dinner or something. So it's the PM. Okay, you go outside to see the sun set. So is it AM or PM? It's the sunset. Like when you go to the sea or something, it's the sunset. So it's the PM. Very good. Now, when do people usually eat breakfast? So you eat breakfast before school. So is it the AM or the PM? It's the AM. You're watching the evening news again, so it's the PM for sure. You go outside to see the sunset again. You know this. Okay, so this is it for now about the AM and the PM. It's really easy. So again, from 12, we change. When we come to 12, we change. So from 12 to 12, we have AM. From 12 to 12, we have PM. But then AM is in the morning and PM is at night. But AM is the early morning, okay? All right, so let's revise on previous things we took before. So we have here place values. So it says 15. How many tens and how many ones? So we start from the right-hand side. We have 5. Is it 5 or 50? It's 5. So we have 5 ones. Okay, how many tens do we have? We have 1. So do we have 1 or do we have 10? We have 10. So here, how many tens? 1 tens. Okay, here we have 22. 2 is in the ones, and the other 2 is in the tens, because we have here 2 and 20. So it's 2 tens and then 2 ones. So again, slowly. We're going to do it again slowly. So we have here 14. So we have how many tens? We have 1 tens and then 4 ones. So we have 1 tens and then 4 ones. Why? Because we have 10, which is here 1, so it's 10, and 4, which is 1, so 4 ones and 1 tenth. Okay, how about here? 21. So we have 2 tens and 1 ones. How about here? What do you think? 9 is in the ones, and 2 is in the tens. Very good, you guys. Okay, so here again, we have 8 in the ones and 2 in the tens. It's like putting each digit in its place value. Okay, so we need to convert 15 to tens and ones. So 15, we have 1 tens, 5 ones. We need to convert 23 to tens and ones. So we have 2 in the tens and 3 in the ones. We need to convert 18. So 8 is in the ones and 1 is in the tens. Good job. All right, this is the last one. So we need to convert 30. So how many ones do we have? 0. And how many tens do we have? 3. Good job. Okay. You guys are expert on this. Now, I just need you to do like a couple of these. They're a little bit tricky. So we're gonna need you to do it like just a little bit of concentration, okay? So we have here 11:40. Which one of these clocks is 11:40? So first, we're going to look at the hours. So we have 11. So which one? So the hours is 11. So the small cursor or the small hand is on 11. Which one? It's this one for sure. Okay, again, we have the opposite. We have the hour hand on 11 and then the big hand on 1. So the hour hand is 11, so we have 11, but is it 11:05 or 11:55? The hour hand is just on 1. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So 55 is 11. But here it's on 1. So it's 11:05. I'll leave you a link for this so you can do it on your own. It's really easy. Okay, here it's very easy, but you just have to fill in the missing time. So it's a pattern. So it's like every hour or so. So here it's 12:15, 1:15, 2:15. What do you think? Which one comes after 2:15? Is it 1:45 or 3:15? So we have here the hours, 12, 1, 2, and 15 is constant. It's the same. So it's 3:15. Okay, let's see. You solve this one. Choose the missing time. So we have here 7, then 8, then 9. But this one is empty. So which one comes before the 7? Is it this one or this one? Is it 7:30 or is it 6? We had here 7, 8, and 9. So here it has to be, good job, it has to be 6. All right, this one is a little bit tricky. So we have here 5:45 and we have here 7, sorry. We have here 5:45, we have here 7:45, we have here some number we don't know, and then we have here 11:45. So again, 5:45, 7:45, and 11:45. What do you think comes in the middle? Is it 9:45 or is it 10:45? What do you think? It's 9:45. Good job, you guys. This was it for today. Thank you, and I hope you have a good time. Tell me in the comments below how many did you get right and how many did you get wrong. And don't forget to solve the quizzes. I'm gonna put a quiz. It's gonna be so much fun, and I know you can guys do it. Thank you. Goodbye.